Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So, I got to looking at this information and realized something, and I wanted to put this out real quick. Now, in our translations, Guns N' Roses better, once you, and I'll provide the link to our video that we did this, but once you divide these words into their gematria value, something happens. And I've got an example. 12 ended up being the summed to 12, of summed to 21, a reflection of 12 and 12, thin summed to 21, and customer summed to 102, which is the same value as 21. So I ran the customer of thin. And what I found was thin client. Client is in fact another word for customer. A thin client is a computer that runs from resources stored on a central server instead of a localized hard drive. Thin clients work by connecting remotely to a server-based computing environment where most application-sensitive data and memory are stored. And it goes on to talk about the benefits of a thin client: reduced cost, increased security, more efficient manageability, and scalability. Thin client deployment is more cost-effective than deploying regular PCs because so much is centralized at the server side. The client computing can reduce IT support and licensing costs. And it goes on, but I'm not going to read all about it. I'll provide the link. And the other thing I ran was really interesting. Now, this might not be for the kids. If you recall, there was a word in here. But if you come back here to 26, I believe it was. No, 26 is a crazy nut, though. Nut 26, A 26, crazy 62, and 26. You got a crazy nut there. Who might a crazy nut be? So if you get to 25, you have road is 25, fire is 25, and speech is 25. And I typed road, fire, speech, and ran a search, and I got Greta Thunberg, Bristol, climate change, or climate strike, the world is on fire. And all of those words are in this, all those keywords are here, and many people think Greta Thunberg is a cunt, straight up. So that actually ties that in as well. You know, yeah, the cat wants to be in the video, but you know, she does all this crap about climate change and everybody's a bad person and nobody should use plastic or straws or da da da. But she's seen on buses with plastic straws and plastic bags, and she's just kind of a. So yeah, so these things actually, when you put them into their geometrical value, there was another one over here. Know you out now. All that know you out now. 11. But there was another one. Oh, yes, 45 is I have to do. It's like I'm missing information. I have to do something. I have is 45, and to do is 54, a reflection of 45, like there's missing information. Maybe we didn't get all the translations. But anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there. As soon as we separated these by their gematria value, not only did they all link, well, they didn't, they all, every word in the translation linked to another word in the translation, if that makes any sense. They're all linked. And once you break down their value, there's actual phrases that make sense, and you get stuff. So I just wanted to point that out, and I'll look over this maybe today, maybe tomorrow, before we get into the numbers and see if there's anything else of interest in it. But I just want to throw that out there. There's definitely something to this. So maybe when we get our other stuff out, we'll have to go back and look up, you know, Fade to Black, Willa Thorson, do some gematria on that, see if we can find anything interesting in there. And we'll be doing it from here on out because that definitely helps. Um, believe it or not, it does help. It makes things make sense. The customer of is 33 if you wanted to arrange that. The customer of thin, a thin client, you know, a crazy nut. I'm just looking, guys, but, there was, no you out now. And of course, if you were Chinese, you might have broken English, right? And we think Nanyang Technological University is behind this. That's what we think. And that would actually make sense, considering the English, the broken English, or maybe there is missing information. But anyway, we just wanted to point that out, throw it out, and let it go at that. So for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down. Thanks for your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your evening.